In this module, we will review the process for installing an Enable N-Central probe and identify how Enable N-Central probes and agents are deployed. The initial step in network management with Enable N-Central is to set up the environment, then install a probe that deploys agents to devices in the customer's environment. Identify and import devices from your customer's environment using an Enable N-Central probe and discovery job. On a private network, probes provide network discovery, monitoring, and management services. Before installing a Windows probe, make sure you have customers added at the SO level and prepared the customer environment. Install a Windows probe on a server or other dedicated computer behind the firewall. Enable recommends dedicating a server for the probe when monitoring very large networks. There are customer-specific and generic system installers. Customer-specific installers are pre-configured with activation keys, registration token, customer names, and the IP address of your Enable N-Central server. Customer-specific installers are very easy to use. It is recommended to make them the first choice when downloading the probe software. Generic system installers require you to specify either the activation key or the IP address of your Enable N-Central server and a customer name or customer ID. These installers are useful when keeping an offline copy of a specific version of the probe or agent. Once the probe is installed on an N-Central server, it will install an agent on itself. After the probe installation, it calls home to N-Central to determine next steps and will regularly check into the server. The agent will also call home to N-Central independently of the probe. The probe will then perform the discovery that was previously configured to look for other devices on the network. The probe will push agents to all the devices capable of receiving them. Each agent will then call home to N-Central independently of the probe, and will continue to check in. The agents report results directly to N-Central. For devices that are not capable of having an agent installed, such as a printer, the probe will report results directly to the N-Central server. The guideline is that the agent monitors itself and the probe monitors other devices in the network. An alternate way to demonstrate probes and agents is to view it from a domain-based environment to a workgroup environment. Discovery tasks in a domain-based environment automatically deploys agents to Windows-based devices and automatically imports them. This is the preferred method unless devices that will be monitored are non-Windows or not network accessible. Probe discovery in a workgroup environment will identify and import network devices. The agent deployment will be manual.